welcome back to our channel Couture Crave. Today we are talking about clutches and hand purses for women. Clutch and hand purses are essential accessories for every woman's wardrobe. They're perfect for carrying your essentials, whether you are going out for a night on the town or just running errands. Here are some beautiful and in different colors and in different size and different designs are available in this video. You can choose a clutch or hand purse according to your own desire. Clutch and hand purse are essential accessories for every woman's wardrobe. They're perfect for carrying your essentials, whether you are going out for a night on the town or just running errands. It is also useful for carrying many substances. When choosing a clutch or hand purse, be sure to consider the occasion, your personal style, and how much you need to carry. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications of our videos. We post new videos about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle for every week and every day. In this video, we showing you different colors and different size handbags or clutches. If you prefer a more trendy look, choose a bag in a bold color or with a unique design. If you are looking for an everyday bag, choose an envelope clutch or a hand purse. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video about clutches and hand purses for women.